Okay, so this is the summary, the big summary of our molarity and the important formulas. So first, let's identify what a solution is. A solution is composed of a solute and a solvent. The example that I have chosen as solute is salt and water being the solvent. Both of them mixed together make the solution of salt water. Molarity refers to concentration. Molarity determines the concentration of a solution. As far as molarity questions go, they fall into three different types. Okay. The first type consists of calculating molarity from grams or moles given in the question. And it uses the standard formula in the beginning of the dimensional analysis setup. So the formula for molarity is moles of solute over liters of solution. Whenever you're doing type 1 questions for molarity, you would set it up just like you see it here in the dimensional analysis problem. The type 2 molarity consists of you treating it as a simple stoichiometry problem. And the reason to that is because by using the path of stoichiometry, you can work out your answer. You can find your answer correction. And it uses molarity M as a conversion factor. So, meaning when you see this capital M, you will change it to moles of solute over 1 liter. Um, so, for example, let's say they give you this right here, 2.6 molar. We're going to change it to a conversion factor, which is going to say 2.6 moles over 1 liter. And again, you have your stoichiometry path that you can follow. As an example, let's say they want you to go from milliliters to grams. You would start here, you would use this conversion factor, and then you would arrive in liters, and then you would use the conversion factor on the bottom, and then you would go up until you get to grams. Type 3 molarity type of questions. They are called concentration dilution. Okay, so a dilution, it occurs when you add solvent, meaning water, to a solution, and concentration when you take solvent water away from it. How do we identify a concentration dilution question? By the changes in the solvent, either water is added or taken away. So for example, here on the left hand side, we have a concentrated solution. If we were to add water to this solution, it would become diluted and it would look like this right here. Vice versa would be that if you have a diluted solution, and let's say that some of that water evaporates, then you have now a concentrated solution. And the formula that is used for type 3 is the following formula here. They both mean the same thing, by the way, okay? C1 multiplied by V1, where Z1 is the concentration or dilution before, and V1 is the total volume before. C2 is concentration or dilution after, multiplied by V2, which is the total volume after. And once again, these two formulas, they mean the same thing.